Hey Marcus, I want to make some of that affiliate marketing money online too, but I don't know how to get started. What's the first thing I should do? Hey, I'm glad you asked. You see, I get this question all the time, almost every day. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started the right way. I'm going to show you the first thing I did back in 1999 when I first opened my business, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to avoid all the pitfalls, the money loss, and the heartaches of running your own affiliate business. And we're starting right now. Hey guys, it's Marcus here, and welcome to AffiliateMarketingDude.com. Today, what we're going to do is talk about the first thing you need to do to start making money online. First, you're going to want to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you get my latest videos and all the cool stuff that I come out with, and you're notified when we go live every Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. with our live training series. You don't want to miss those, so make sure you subscribe and click the little bell. But for right now, we want to talk about the first thing that you need to do to get started with making money online. Now, this is an important step. This is the step that I started with back in 1999 and 2000, and I still have my domains and hosting today. And back in 99, 2000, we actually had to pay like $10 a month for each site that we hosted, and we had to pay $70 for the domain name. Now it's a lot cheaper and easier, but hey, you got to start somewhere, right? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get you started with what I call a hub site. Now, having a hub site is very important because, number one, you need to have a domain that you own and you control and you can send people to. It's a lot easier to say, hey, go to my site or go to marcusesblogtips.com at the end of a video or in a post or something like that. So you got to have somewhere for them to land. Secondly, it's important because you need something to track. And if you follow these steps, I'll hook you up with one of my plugins that'll track everything for you and make it really easy. We'll have that available at the site, affiliatemarketingdude.com/host. We'll have it at the bottom for you. You can click there. You can get that plugin and actually use it to track your links. And thirdly, you just need to have something that you own where you can put all your files and you can put all the stuff that you are using to do your marketing. So this is very important, very crucial to your affiliate marketing business. Now, a hub site is exactly what it sounds like. It's a hub to put all your stuff on. So what I like to do is I like to tell people to get a generic hub site. We like to go through and get something like marcusesblogtips.com or whatever your name is, blogtips.com. Or if Your Name Blog Tips or Your Name Tips is available, you could go for that as well. Just something easy, something that makes sense. And we're going to show you how to do this. This step is going to cost you about $107. Now, don't worry, that $107 covers the cost of the domain. They actually give you one free. And it covers hosting for an entire year for as many sites as you want. So we're just using this as a hub site. Then you can have as many domain names as you want with their own sites, with their own WordPress, with everything, all the bells and whistles, just like I do, right? I use this hosting myself. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started with that. First of all, what you want to do is hop over to affiliatemarketingdude.com/host. That's affiliatemarketingdude.com/host, or you could just go to affiliatemarketingdude.com and click on the hub site tab. Either way, you're going to get to the same place. And what you're going to want to do is look for the picture of me here and follow the steps down here. We're going to show you how to do these steps on this video to make it even easy for you. First, we're going to click on this Start the Hub Site Now. This is going to take you to a special page that the hosting company set up for me so that you can get started with exactly what I want you to get started with. It's the WordPress stuff, it's got the domain stuff, it's the package and the plan that I use, so we're ready to go. All you got to do is click Get Started Now. Once you click Get Started Now, you're going to go to choose a new domain or your own domain. Now, they're going to give you a free domain, so you might as well go ahead and get a free domain, right? You can choose later if you want. If you want to get this done super quick, you just click on Choose Later. But for right now, let's just show you how this works. I would go through and I would do something like Marcus's blog site or Marcus's blog guide or something like that. Okay, Marcus's blog guide. We go through and see if it was available. Now, you can also, and it looks like that is available, that's why it took us to this page. We could also go through and look for something like, let's say we want to go for Marcus's marcusestips.com. That would be good because then you can use it for lots of other stuff, right? You can use it for all kinds of things. So if we went for marcusestips.com like this, let's see, that is available, right? So we could just go through, we could get marcusestips.com. We're going to go ahead and fill this out. We're going to put our first name, last name. If you have a business name, go ahead and put that there. If not, don't worry. We'll talk about how to do that in our next video. Then go ahead and choose your country, street address, city, state, right? Choose your state there. Put your zip code here. Go ahead and put your phone number here. Then go ahead and put your email address. Make sure it's a good email that you check often. That way you can get everything sorted out. Next, we're going to go through and we're going to choose our plan info. Now, if you want to save some money, go ahead and do the 36-month plan. That'll save you some bucks. Or if you're on a budget, just go ahead and do the 12-month price. Okay? Either way, doesn't matter. You're getting the same thing. You just save a little bit. Now, if you want domain privacy protection, this means that people can't find out who you are. You can actually do what's known as a who is search, and what that does is it allows you to see who owns a domain name, right? So if I put the first domain I bought, PCMoneymaking.com, which is actually our support site now, we can go through, we could see who actually owns the domain, and it'll show you, hey, here's who owns it. He's owned it since 2000, the year 2000, right? So I've had this for quite some time, and it'll show you the address and everything. So if you don't want that to show up for your domain, you might want to choose the domain privacy protection. Now, the site lock security, this is like to protect your site from viruses and malware and stuff like that. It's optional. You don't really need it. You kind of do this stuff on your own. Just make sure your passwords are secure. Okay, we're going to click that off. We're going to click off CodeGuard. We don't need the SEO tools, anything like that. Okay, so we should be good to go at about $107 for the entire year, right? So dirt cheap, ready to go. We're going to have as many sites as we want that we can host on this. Again, remember, we'll be able to point tons of domains at this, and I'll show you where to get your domains for like $5 to $10 each. They're very cheap, and point them here and get them started. But first, you want to start with your hub site, make it really easy. So do this right now, sign up, and then you'll be able to follow our other stuff. Then when you're done, go ahead and put your card number in here, expiration, all this, the 3 digits on the back, or if you're doing Amex, it's the 4 digits on the front. Now, if you do not have a credit card for affiliate marketing, I would recommend that you have one. If there's no way to get one, get a prepaid credit card, okay? You can go to any grocery store, any pharmacy, anywhere, and you could get a prepaid credit card. I get them all the time for different advertising accounts, and they're really easy. They cost like $3 or something, maybe $5. You could put $200 on it or $500 or whatever. That way you have something for your affiliate marketing, and when you go to buy traffic, you know, you could use that instead of like your bank and stuff, and that way there's another buffer, which is a good idea. Okay, so do that. You're going to go ahead, step 1, you're going to go through, you're going to click the button. Step 2, you're going to choose a domain, get something like Marcus's Tips or Frank's Tips or Sally's Tips or Jennifer's Tips.com, whatever's available. A lot of those will be available. I mean, this stuff's not taken that much, right? So if we do like Jennifer Tips.com or something like that, jenniferstips.com, you can see that's not taken. If it is taken, right, like if you put something in that is taken, like PCMoneymaking.com, it's going to tell you, hey, you know what, this domain's not available. So it'll just prompt you to get a different one. See here, it says, hey, you could get these ones. So it'll give you suggestions as well, and then you can click more suggestions, and you can find something, right, like PC Finance Making or whatever. So you can get something really, really simple. You can get your business name. You can get your name. Don't think about this too much because you're getting it free. We're going to add more later. So just get something like yournamestips.com. Very easy to do. Then when you're done, go ahead and go to the next step. So marcustips.com. Let's get rid of that .com there. There we go. Once you're done, you go through, put your first name, last name, business name, country, city, state, zip, put all your info in here. You can see it's totally secure. It's a big site. Choose your pricing. If you want to save money, do the 36. If you're on a budget, do the 12. Really easy, right? Again, you don't need any of this stuff here. I would recommend privacy protection if you do want that. Again, it's optional, so, you know, it's only like 99 cents or whatever. So, you know, you're saving a couple bucks, but it's totally up to you. All right, this is an essential step. I know a lot of people are like, well, Marcus, do I have to pay for something? Well, sometimes you do, right? If you want to do a business and you want to make money, get the stuff, right? It's really easy. So hop over to affiliatemarketingdude.com/host, do this step, and in my next video, I'm going to tell you what to do next with this and how to set up your hub site, and you'll be blown away because you'll actually have WordPress and a site and hosting and everything all set up where maybe you didn't know how to do that before. So you're going to be off to the races and ready to go. Now, please note I am an affiliate of this hosting company, so I'm compensated when you sign up, which is what allows me to make all these cool videos and tutorials for you. So I'm going to be hooking you up with some cool videos and everything like that, helping you get started with your new hosting and your new site. So step one, you want to get serious about making money, do this right now. If you absolutely do not have any money, like I don't have anything, if you absolutely don't have any money, then the first step would be get a free hosting, something like Blogspot or something like WordPress.org, where you can get a free one. Again, the difference is you don't get your own domain, and it's not on your own platform. It's not something you really control. So again, this will be a very, very good investment into your business. Do it now, and then come back and watch the next video, and we'll help you go with the next step. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in step number 2. Again, that's affiliatemarketingdude.com/host.